Hello friends, welcome back. In this session, I am going to show you how can you use the SYCLomatic tool which can convert the CUDA code to SYCL code. Typically, 90 to 95% of your CUDA code will be automatically migrated to SYCL, and earlier I have shown you the demo for Windows. Now today, the SYCLomatic can be installed and it can be demonstrated using Linux, and here is the procedure, so please follow it up carefully, and it's very easy for anybody to learn and to use it. Please click on the link that I have given for downloading and installing the CUDA SDK. Select Linux and select appropriate operating system and the distribution, the version, all those things. Once you select that, you will immediately get the installation instructions available. Please follow that, and when you issue the commands, your CUDA SDK will be available for you completely installed. Now, I'm going to check if it is installed already. NVCC space icon version. You can see that the complete stuff is available with me installed properly. If you have not installed it, it won't work. You will get an error message. Now I have made a directory called as SYCLomatic. mkdir SYCLomatic is all done. Now I will see if it is created properly. Yes, it is created and it's available for me. SYCLomatic is all created. Now I am navigating into it. CD SYCLomatic. So I have navigated into the SYCLomatic directory which I have just created. Now what's the next step to do? I'm going to go ahead with the next series of steps. Please follow it carefully, and it's very easy, and you need to go ahead at the same. Just type SYCLomatic in Google. It will take you to the GitHub. That's the first link. You can find there the SYCLomatic tool available for the Linux version, available for download. Just download it. It is very, very important for you to download, and that's the one which is going to help you in converting. How do we download it? wget is the command, and I have the link with me from the Git. So I need to just give the link here, and once I give that command, give that link with the command wget, I am done with it. The complete Linux underscore release.tgz will be downloaded. So you can see that the download is happening right now. So we already had the necessary SDKs. Now we are having the tool which is available for us, but I will have to untar it. So I'll have to extract it to ensure that I'm using the SYCLomatic tool for Linux properly. Now you can see that I've done a small mistake there. I have given the name of the directory instead of giving the name of the file linux underscore release.tgz. I'm going to give that right now, and hopefully this time it should work pretty fine. So you can see that that's happening right now, and yes, it's getting extracted. We will check it up if the extraction has happened properly by issuing a command ls. You can see that the same has been extracted nicely, and we are ready to go to the next step. I'm getting into the bin. I have moved into bin, and inside bin you can see that I've got the C2S, which is the tool, DPCT, pattern rewriter, all these things are available there. We are going to use C2S, that's the tool, that's the command which is going to convert your code from CUDA to SYCL. Now I'm printing the current working directory, the present working directory, because we'll have to set the environment variable. I need to know the correct path. So I am setting up the path right now. I'm setting up the environment variable right now as I have done in the Windows earlier. So export PATH equal to within double quotes, you need to give this as the input. Once you have done that, it's all over. 90% of your work is done, and the rest is very easy for you to do. And I am going to show you that as well. Just issue the command as I have issued here, so that you will not end up in any mistakes, any errors. I'll also give you this in the description section. Now we are checking if our C2S is installed properly. C2S icon version. Yes, your SYCLomatic is installed perfectly. Now we have cleared the screen. Now we are getting into the process of testing the sample CUDA file, which should be converted to SYCL easily. I have given the link for this as well. You can take any file. I'm taking a merge sort which is available in the Git, and I'm going to take this up. I will convert this file, which is an out and out CUDA file, into a SYCL file through C2S in Linux. So it's going to be pretty easy for you to understand the entire process. So let me create a directory right now, and I will have to keep this source file which I need to convert into that directory, and we will convert it later on. So you can see that here I have got a directory by name test. I have already created it for the benefit of saving time. So I'm getting into the directory. There I have got a file stored, and that file is metsart.c, which is a CUDA file. I'm going to convert this file into the SYCL file, and I will open this file and show you that this is a CUDA file. You can just understand quickly that it's a CUDA file. You can see that it's available online. You can test it out, you can take it and convert this file into SYCL. You'll be able to convert most of it, and wherever you are not able to convert, the SYCLomatic tool will tell you that this portion we are not able to convert, so please look into it manually. That kind of alert will also come. Now I am converting it with the command C2S metsart.cu. The conversion is happening. It's done, and that's all. So it's all done. You must have got the converted results available with you right now. there is a new folder dpct underscore output available for you. Let me navigate into it, dpct underscore output, and there we will have the output file available with us, which is nothing but your SYCL file. We have converted the CUDA to SYCL and it's available right in front of you, and I'm going to open the file and show you. In this file, if you go ahead deeper, you'll be able to see even the comments which says that these are all the portions that I'm not able to convert. You look into it manually to convert it. So that's also very important point that I'd like to highlight here. If there is some portion which is not converted, you will have the highlight here right in the converted code. So try it out. In case you have any questions, right, you can obviously reach me, and I have given the complete description right in the description section. You can look into it and try it out. I hope you like the session. Thank you very much.